you do not have a product problem. You have a traffic problem. And I know that might be a bit hard to hear because most printable sellers spend weeks redesigning covers, changing fonts, tweaking colors, thinking this is the reason they're not making sales. It's not, guys. I've seen extremely simple digital products or printables sell over and over again. The difference wasn't design, it was traffic. So today I'm going to explain why digital product sellers fail and what actually changes everything. And I'll share the exact moment I proved this to myself with my own blog traffic. Hi, I'm Raquel. I help beginners turn simple digital products ideas into income streams using smart traffic systems without hype and without unrealistic promises. If you're creating digital products and wondering why they're not selling, this video is for you. So guys, here's what actually happens. You create a digital product, you upload it, you post about it once, maybe twice, then nothing happens. So you assume maybe it's not good enough. Maybe the niche is saturated. Maybe I need to redesign it. So you start over. You create a new product, you get a new niche and a new idea, and this cycle repeats. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most beginners don't fail because of product quality. They fail because they don't understand traffic and consistency. So Pinterest is not about posting when you feel inspired. It's about consistent distribution. Traffic is a skill and consistency is a system. So without those two things, even a great product will go unnoticed. So let me tell you what changed everything for me. There was a period when I focused heavily on blogging. I wasn't obsessing over making the perfect digital product at all. I was focused on getting traffic. So when one of my blog posts started picking up momentum on Pinterest and it began getting consistent traffic every day, what I did is attach a relevant digital product directly to that blog post. Same topic, okay? Same audience, same search intent. And every single time that blog post gained traction, the product started selling, sometimes within 1 to 5 days. Not because the product was revolutionary, but because the traffic already existed. So that's when I realized something powerful. It's not the product first, it's the traffic first. The traffic validates the product. And this happened multiple times. So that's how I proved to myself that Pinterest works when you treat it like a search engine and not a social media platform, guys. So guys, let me show you what this actually looks like in real life. Okay? So let's search something simple like weekly planner, printable. Look at the results. Many of these designs are simple, not overly complex, but they rank. But why? Because the seller created multiple pins targeting searchable keywords. Pinterest rewards consistency and relevance. Okay, so you can use tools such as Keyword Everywhere to see what gets saved or repin, or PinClicks, which has a free 5 days trial. But guys, I must admit this is really good. Okay, PinClicks is very good. You should really try it. So guys, in order to stay consistent on Pinterest, instead of one pin, you need about 10 to 20 variations, multiple keyword angles, fresh descriptions, ongoing distribution. Most beginners, they create one product and one pin. That's not a traffic strategy. That's hope. Okay, guys? So this is why I built Pincraft AI. Instead of guessing what titles to use or what keywords to target, you can generate multiple optimized pin titles, keyword variations, description angles, Organize workflows for consistency. This is why I built Pincraft AI. Instead of guessing what titles to use or what keywords to target, you can generate multiple optimized pin titles, keyword variations, description angles, organize workflows for consistency. It removes the mental overload because most beginners don't fail from lack of talent, right? They fail from lack of systems. So Pincraft has a free trial, so you can try today. The link is below. Okay, guys, it will save you a ton of time and a ton of headaches, right? So this basically has given me a really smooth, organized workflow. Okay, so there are 3 levels to selling digital products. Okay, so you have the product creation, product positioning, and traffic distribution. Most beginners, they stay stuck at level 1. They think better design equals more income, but level 3 is where leverage lives. Okay, so traffic compounds. One blog post that ranks, one pin that gains traction, one keyword that starts pulling impressions. When that happens, you attract the right product to it. Okay, so that's the system. No random posting, no constant redesigning, no strategic distribution. So Pinterest is not about going viral. It's about showing up consistently, targeting real search intent, publishing variations, letting data guide decisions. When my blog posts gained traffic, I didn't panic about design. I attached a product that matched the search intent. That's it. Pincraft AI exists to help you build that same consistency. Instead of wondering what to post next, you create a workflow. Instead of posting one pin, you create structured variations. Consistency becomes realistic, and that's when products start getting a chance to sell. So, you will want to come closer to this. Here is Advantage Mindset Shift. Your first digital product is not your income stream. It's your testing vehicle. Your job isn't to hope it sells. Your job is to drive traffic, track impressions, watch sales, monitor clicks. If traffic grows and sales don't happen, then adjust the product. If traffic never comes, you don't have a product problem. You have a visibility problem. The sellers who win are committed to the system, not emotionally attached to one design. Okay, so guys, if you're serious about turning your printables or your digital products into income streams, here's your next step. Step 1. Create a simple searchable product using a generator style concept. That means you can use any of my math generators or quiz generators. I have the link below. Okay, if you are still unsure, you can just look at this video here. With one click, you can create many different digital products. And step 2. You build a traffic system behind it. You can try Pincraft AI. You can try Pincraft AI. You can try Pincraft AI free and create multiple optimized pin angles without the overwhelm. If you want to stop guessing and start building a real traffic system, the free trial link is below. Test it, use it, build consistency. Okay? So, your digital product probably isn't failing. Your traffic system is, right? So fix the system, stay consistent, treat traffic as the skill, and let the data guide you. If this helped you think differently about your strategy, subscribe, because we build systems here, okay? And systems scale. If you want to know how I create a simple digital product in 20 minutes, then watch this video right here. Bye.